Hi, Money Magnets. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a professional email templates in seconds. I'm going to show you a secret trick to use your competitors' emails as a base and turn it into a template with ChatGPT. So if you're ready to take your emails to the next level and earn tons of money, then this video is for you. By the way, if you're interested to find out the hottest trending things about AI, do subscribe to the newsletter by Synthetic Mind. I've put the link down below, and you can be like me, who knows almost everything about AI and what's trending out there. So why bother doing email marketing in the first place? As you can see in this article by Digital Marketer, it states that various studies showed email generates 66% of conversion, almost 40 times more efficient and successful than other social media channels. In fact, I've used email marketing to generate lots of revenue, and so far I love it really, really much. But the thing about writing emails is sometimes you may not be able to come out with the best emails. And asking ChatGPT to come up with an email may not be the best option as well. Matter of fact, in this article by HubSpot, it states that more and more brands are increasing their email budget, and a lot of marketers send emails weekly. And it says here that 37% of brands are increasing their email budget, with 33% of emails sent weekly. In fact, I've received emails from some marketers and some brands almost 2 days once. Those are like crazy ones out there. But this just show how important email is. But the thing about email is that sometimes it can be hard to create a powerful email. Even asking ChatGPT to come up with an email for you may not be as powerful as it can be, because those are written by AI, not humans. So the effectiveness may not give you the results that you're looking for. But you're smart, aren't you? Because you like this video and subscribe to this channel so that you can learn the best way to use AI to help your business. Because this is a very simple trick that I've used with ChatGPT to create templates based off my competitor's email. Yes, my competitor's email. So here's an example. I'm sure you guys receive a lot of emails from your competitors. If not, you should definitely join their newsletter or buy their product and then see what do they send you. So what you can do here is you can copy their emails, paste it in ChatGPT, and use these powerful prompts. Please turn this email into an email template for other projects. So what ChatGPT is going to do is you will turn your competitor email into a template for you. All you need to do is just hit enter. Sometimes it gives you something like this, which is a partial editable email template, such as dear recipient, as well as to insert the webinar link here. This isn't what you want. What you want is to ask it to give you a full editable email template. Once you ask ChatGPT to do this, it will give you a full editable email template. Now, this is what you want. As you can see here, edit challenge name, dear recipient, edit name, one of your biggest clients, edit outcome, edit challenge name, insert link. So now you have a fully crafted email that was once crafted by humans, which is more likely to be more effective. And you've just effectively turned that into an email template that you can use for your own business. So if you like more content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. But one caution that I want to tell you is that although you're using these templates from your competitor, you should also analyze what makes that email great. How they write it, and most importantly, why they write it, is very important. Because although you are using ChatGPT or other AI to help you create all these kind of emails, what you should actually be improving is yourself as well. Analyze all these emails, of course, turn it into a template, but do also understand why. Because one day you might not be able to use all these email templates, and yet you are required to perform. It may not be today, it may not be tomorrow, but one day you might need to perform by yourself without access to all of these AI tools. So it's very crucial for you to also improve yourself. Though I'm giving you all these tips to improve your email marketing conversion rate and to increase revenue overall, but it is still very, very important for you to learn email marketing the hard way. What I mean by the hard way is try to craft out emails on yourself and see whether or not it can match your competitors' emails. Obviously, try to come out with more templates, review all the templates, even check out other emails out there who's not your competitors to see how you can improve your email conversion rate overall. It can be writing, it can be timing, it can be the style, the urgency, even the offer of the product that you are offering in the email matters. So although you have all these templates, it doesn't mean that your business will be successful overnight. There's lots of mechanisms here that makes your business successful. Email is just one of them. But the good thing is now you know this secret tip. Go out there and make more money. So if you like more content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm coming up with tips and strategies on how you can help improve your business and save you more time with AI. Also, if you have any questions, put your comments down below. I'll answer them. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.